So it's a sad day in the 200 history for me, man. As y'all see, I got my plastic bag. Y'all may be wondering why, but 200's gone today, man. We selling it. We getting rid of it so that we can set ourselves up to get this new car real soon. So give me a couple minutes. I'm gonna clean this car out and we're gonna head to the dealership and get rid of it, y'all. Feels weird to be saying that this is my last time driving this car, man. Like, I don't know, man. It don't feel right. It feels too good to be true at the same time that I'm finally getting out of this car. So for those who don't know, I have my pedal commander here that is gone. That's gonna be sold to one of you, hopefully, that would use it and need it. You'll see that video go up soon. Or if you're not following me on Facebook, because it most likely will go up on Facebook before I actually upload this video. So if you're not following me on Facebook, go follow me on Facebook, because I'll post a picture with all the stuff that I have to get rid of. Also, if you watched the previous video, you know that I had to get rid of this car within 3 days. So I did not have time to take off the front splitter. I know a lot of people wanted that front splitter. I do have the spoiler that goes in the back. I don't have the splitter that was on the... I'm not going to be able to get the splitter that was on the front of the car off. I just didn't have enough time, unfortunately. They gave me a 3-day time to trade the car in to get the deal in order for me to get the payoff that I wanted. Within those 3 days, I had to work 2 of the days, so I just didn't have time. Plus, it's raining today. I didn't have time to take the splitter off, which sucks because I know I could have gave that one to one of y'all or sold it to one of y'all for really dirt cheap. It's not the easiest to take off. There's like pins and stuff. It's like 15 different pins I would have had to get underneath the car. Like, it's just wet outside. It's just a whole mess that I didn't want to deal with. Unfortunately, I'm sorry for that, guys. I know you guys wanted it. I also did not get a chance to take the Eibach springs off as well. So unfortunately, the dealership is just gonna keep them. I thought they were going to hit me with a lower price because I switched out the springs. They didn't even notice. So I'm not gonna take those off as well because of the situation. I didn't have enough time, guys. And again, I apologize for that, because I know a lot of people wanted those springs badly, as well as the body kit pieces too that I can't really get off unless I just rip them off. And I don't want to do that, because then I'm selling y'all something that's broke. So if you guys can see, we're at the dealership, man. We're selling the car. My son literally doesn't want to let the car go. Papa, we sold it, okay? It's not mine no more. Come on, let's go. He's sad, guys, because we not taking my car back. Come on. I sold it, Papa. It's not Daddy's car no more. I know you want to go. Oh my God, come on, say bye. Say we love you, car. Come on. Come on, Papa. You really like Daddy car, huh? Yeah. With Daddy car going bye-bye. That's not our car no more. You want to drive? You can't drive, Papa. You can't drive, handsome. You can't drive. So as y'all can see, man, it's a new day. I'm in a car, Grandma's car right now, in the Kia Sportage. I just want to say, man, it feels weird. I know it's only been like not even 24 hours yet, but it feels weird, man, without my 200. I already miss my car, man, just because of like daily stuff that I gotta do. You know, obviously I gotta drop my son off every day. I gotta head to work. It just feels weird without my car, man. I am gonna miss that car, but greater things are gonna come from me getting rid of that, man. Just because it was a waiting headache, man. Something was gonna happen soon, so I do feel, like I said, it does feel weird, but anyway, I appreciate y'all for watching this video, man. Stay tuned, man, because I'm telling you, when I get this new car, it's gonna be a different journey, man. What I want to do, man, I just want to show everybody my age, younger or older, how to get into something that's one of your dream cars, man. Eventually, somewhere down the road, man, you gotta have a dream, you gotta have a goal, but you can't just sit down and expect to reach your dreams and goals. You gotta do something. So pretty much that's I want to base my channel kind of off of, not just about cars, but how to get into these cars, you know, how to reach any of these cars. So, but anyway, that's all I got for y'all today, man. I'm on my way to work, so y'all have a good rest of y'all day. It's snowing out, so drive safe. Be easy, y'all. I'm out. Peace.